Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com news app. And as we begin, take a look at the weather pattern. You can see the heavy rain that we've been dealing with late last night through the morning hours starting to wrap up across the region as we have the main upper level impulse in West Texas here. Once that clears, we will see the clearing trend begin to take shape here during the nighttime hours tonight. And we'll see kind of a cloud-sun mix on the way for your Thursday, and it now appears that we actually could stay dry through the weekend and possibly even through Monday. Meantime, next couple of days, despite the return of some sunshine, will be rather chilly as we'll see lows tonight in the mid to upper 30s across the north, upper 30s, lower 40s across the south. That includes 37 in Texarkana, 39 degrees in Shreveport, 42 degrees for the nighttime low tonight in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow will rebound only into the mid to upper 40s across the north and low to middle 50s across the south. We'll see 49 in Texarkana, 47 in Mount Pleasant, 53 in Shreveport, and 55 degrees for the high tomorrow in Natchitoches. Here's a look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast, and you can see the heaviest of the rain has moved out of the Arklatex towards the east, and we will see that trend continue as we will stay cloudy here during the evening hours. The clouds will slowly begin to break up some overnight, and for your Thursday, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine in the morning, a little bit more sunshine in the afternoon, which will give way to a clear sky across the Arklatex tomorrow night for the most part. And with the wind dying down, dry air in place, that will allow temperatures tomorrow night to dip below freezing pretty much all across the region as we settle into the mid to upper 20s across the north and the upper 20s to low 30s for nighttime lows tomorrow night, Friday morning across the south. Heading through Friday, we stay rather cool despite lots of sunshine. Daytime highs again, upper 40s, low to middle 50s across the region. And then we'll start to see a warm up heading into the weekend. You can see the dry conditions for Friday evening as we take Futurecasts through Friday night. We will stay mostly clear. Saturday looking pretty nice with a mix of clouds and sunshine. I expect a few more clouds to mix in with that sunshine, especially Saturday afternoon. And notice the south wind, bit on the breezy side. That's going to begin a warming trend as we will be back up into the upper 50s to low 60s Saturday. And then as we go through Saturday night, we'll see a little disturbance move to our south. Might squeeze out a shower, and that's probably the only small rain threat that we'll see for the weekend. You can see heading into Sunday, those clouds will gradually give way to a partly cloudy sky. Now, longer range, we kind of settle back into a potentially wet weather pattern next week. You can see what's going to be taking shape here. Another trough develops over the western sections of the country right in here as we go into the first of next week. We'll see the southwesterly flow set up once again over us, and that will bring more clouds in here for Monday. Slight chance of rain Monday, maybe a little bit better chance for Tuesday and possibly Wednesday, as you can see here. And you can see the main upper level feature still well to our west, so it's quite possible we could see that threat of rain last through the work week next week. But the good news is probably not going to see nearly as much rain next week as we've seen this week, as models indicating amounts probably will stay less than an inch across most of the area. And as of right now, not too concerned about any severe weather as well, despite some rather warm temperatures that you can see here in your 7-day forecast. After the 50s for the next few days, low 60s return to Shreveport on Saturday, 70s for Sunday and Monday, and then we'll cool off again towards the middle of next week with 40s for daytime highs by next Wednesday. In Texarkana, here's your 7-day forecast that I share each evening on V45 during Texarkana First News. Looking at upper 40s for Texarkana through Friday, close to 60 for Saturday, close to 70 for Sunday, low to middle 70s for Monday, and you too will see your best rainfall chances probably for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, possibly Friday of next week, with temperatures Wednesday, you can see in Texarkana dipping back into the middle 40s. So all in all, looks like the heaviest of the rain is behind us. Radars indicate anywhere from 4 to over 7 inches of rainfall has fallen over much of the Arklatex here since it began earlier this week. The good news is we will get a chance to dry out for several days with temperatures that will eventually warm back up into the 70s by the end of the weekend.